Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig Runs a Clubhouse takeaway. Let's start by drawing Peppa Pig. First, I'll draw her nose. Then, I'll outline her face and add 2 little ears on top. Next, I'll draw her cheek and her big, happy smile. Now, let's draw her body with a cute dress like this. Don't forget her hands and legs. Right beside Peppa, I'll draw her best friend, Suzy Sheep. I'll begin with her nose and adorable face, making sure to add her 2 little eyes. Now, I'll draw some boxes for Suzy to hold in her hands. Let's continue by drawing her body and her fluffy tail at the back. To make our drawing stand out, I'll outline everything with a black marker. Time to color. First, I'll use pink and light pink for Suzy's nose and cheeks. Her dress will be pink to so pretty. For the boxes, I'll color one yellow and green, another red and purple, and the last one dark blue. Now, let's color Peppa. I use light pink for her skin. For her nose and cheeks, I'll use pink. Her dress will be bright red. Doesn't she look adorable? Now, let's color this machine. I'll start with dark blue like this. How's your coloring coming along, kids? Are you keeping up? Now, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig at the party bus breakdance. Are you excited? Let's get started. First, I'll draw Peppa Pig, starting with her party hat right on top of her head. It's so colorful. Next, I'll draw her nose and adorable face, just like this. Look at her big, happy smile. Now, I'll draw her body. She's dancing and having so much fun. Let's add her beautiful dress decorated with flowers and stars. Doesn't it look pretty? Right next to Peppa, I'll draw Suzy sheep. I'll start with her party hat, then add her bright eyes, little nose, and sweet smile. Now, I'll draw Suzy's body. She's dancing joyfully too. Once our sketch is complete, I'll use a black marker to outline everything, making the drawing stand out. Let's color. First, I use light pink for Peppa's skin and a slightly darker pink for her nose and rosy cheeks. Her party hat will be yellow and purple, so cheerful. For her dress, I'll use red, and I'll match her shoes with red too. Next, let's color Suzy's sheep. Her hat will be a mix of sky blue and yellow. I'll use pink for her nose and lips. For her dress, I'll choose purple and gray. It looks lovely. Are you following along? You're doing great! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We can't wait to draw with you again. See you next time. Goodbye.